Admittedly, this snowfall map is a little sparse, but we did the best we could. The most additional snow tonight. Now, once the storm snow ends, which it will do later tonight, then strong northwesterly winds begin a lake effect in the north. Southeastern states early this morning. We'll put some color into it, and then we'll put it in motion for you and give you an idea how it's moved. You see this big swirl coming up northeastward. See the drier air coming in behind the thick green clouds? That's where the precipitation does tend to cut off, and that drier air and the ending of the precipitation coming up into southeastern Pennsylvania within the next few hours. But there are some heavier clouds back in this area. That's still got to come across the Commonwealth, so we've still got some snow to go in the central counties. Okay, we'll get on to the next map, and that shows the surface weather map this evening. Double-barreled low-pressure system. Here's the storm with its moisture. Here's the Arctic cold front up there. Business later on tonight in the northwest, and also drop to tomorrow night. Now, during the day, they'll be in the teens in the central counties, 20s in the southeast, and into the single numbers in the northwest. The late snows will really get down to business. Finally, for Saturday, we're looking at a brighter day, but still some squalls up near Lake Erie, and very, very west corner going on into tomorrow night. Okay, we'll have more on this storm.
If you have to exert yourself like this.
I wouldn't mind being on that beach. It looks much more pleasant than the parking lot outside here. As we take a look at what this storm has done, it's a dandy, and it is still deepening, still becoming a very powerful disturbance. Let's take a look at our first map. You see the storm had its genesis south of Brownsville, Texas on Tuesday evening, and then last evening it was situated south of the Florida Panhandle. And look how quickly it has moved to near the Delmarva Peninsula. This evening, central pressures are down about 29 inches of mercury and still dropping very quickly. And by tomorrow evening, it will be way up here near the southern shores of Hudson Bay, and wrapping around it will be a tremendous Arctic outbreak, nothing like what we saw in 1982 and 85. But believe me, it's going to be very, very cold. Certainly the coldest weather we've seen this year, much colder than anything we've had. Heavy snow was spread from the northern parts of Alabama. And, of course, per hour winds, temperatures will feel much colder. Kindness, scattered light. Well, we're going.
And it is clearly snowing out here. In fact, most people would look around and say it's snowing pretty hard. But meteorologists have to be a little bit more precise, and we use visibility, how far you can see through this stuff, to measure the intensity of the snow. And there are a few simple rules that you can